I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning fast and thoroughly. Use a lint-free cloth and a 70% alcohol wipe, then let the phone air dry for about 30 seconds. Remove any case and work in a dust-free corner with good indirect light so you can see specks. Peel the applicator backing just enough to expose the guide edge. Align the applicator's tabs to the device edges. Once aligned, hold those tabs steady so the protector won't shift when you begin placement. Once aligned, lower the protector slowly using the applicator's guide rails or tabs. Keep your fingers off the adhesive. Press firmly in the center to initiate contact, then sweep outward in straight motions to push trapped air toward the edges. Make repeated light passes with the included squeegee or a card wrapped in a microfiber cloth to even out adhesion and force bubbles out. If a dust particle appears, lift only the nearest edge of the applicator. Use a dust tab to remove it, then reseat and repeat the sweep. After adhesion, press all edges with the squeegee to ensure a tight seal, and wait 12 to 24 hours before returning the case to avoid shifting. Inspect for any edge lift and re-squeegee within the first day to improve the bond. If you find a stubborn bubble, lift the protector only to the nearest point, remove the trapped dust with a dust tab, then reseat and press the air out toward the nearest edge. This focused approach avoids redoing the whole job and preserves alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.